You see, this is truly a question for the thinking mind. What should 2022's lecture be on? I'm here to describe my thoughts and my concerns and how I kind of feel at this moment in time. I think it's fair to say that I have somewhat of a mental media map for what I'm probably going to be consuming over the rest of the year. Since at the end of this year, it'll have been 2 years since I recorded the last lecture, it's probably time in the future to give another one at some point, right? And if you guys recall, I did a poll to just get a general vibe check on what people thought, right? And I wondered, what kind of topic should I choose? There's kind of a plethora of ideas, really. I listed the more obvious ones, and there was a winner of that poll. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that the winner was Bakugan. And I'm still not sure, truly, if that is what I would like to do or what I am ready for, because the other options in the poll were a little more clear and obvious. And I want to know what you think, specifically, because I could do a plethora of things, but some of the more obvious choices were kind of exploring the roots of Yu-Gi-Oh!, which does interest me, but might also take a lot of work and a lot of time. The other pretty obvious option was to continue forward with Yu-Gi-Oh!, do a lecture on 5Ds, which I'm already pretty familiar with in some regards, and would be extremely, I want to say, rather than similar, not too dissimilar from the GX lecture in what it would cover. Another thing about the lectures and its topics as well is, now that I made one and sort of know what I'm doing, it would probably come out a lot faster as well. I'm very curious about whatever I even end up choosing. I'm probably gonna go for a similar note-taking process and whatnot, and to have a giant autism document like I did with GX. And to be honest, this is another great reason to make a video like this, is to release that document, because I never did. And it truly is a piece of its time and just kind of an insane work. But I am curious whether or not I go with Yu-Gi-Oh! Or something else. I'm kind of leaning towards Yu-Gi-Oh! Right now. If I will do a similar process, if someone, in particular, likes or dislikes that document, that crazy GX document, let me know. I'm gonna release it when this video comes out. I also wouldn't really mind a vibe check just from the general fucking fans and audience, really. Because a lot of people probably did arrive to this channel from Yu-Gi-Oh! After all, because I posted that really insane, GX clip, and then this channel has just sort of slowly accrued growth over time. But also from my closer friends and the people who actually comment and interact. Did you like the last lecture? Did you like the editing? What did you dislike about it? Did you want it to be, did you want it to be shorter, or did you feel like it was too long? Did you guys, want it in fucking parts or something? I have no idea. That's probably a no-go in all actuality. Did you guys appreciate the art? Did you like all those commissions that I got of depictions of the characters that were more unique and interesting, and that I really appreciated and enjoyed? Did that not add anything to the video for you guys? Did you want it more edited? Did you want it more insane shit? Did you want more images and fucking memes on screen? Did you want every little and or but or irrelevant transition word edited out? I did a lot of those things, really, but what did you like? Did you want more of? Did you want more of those edits where I had Simon going flame wing man, and I had the fusion of the cards and the triggered fucking overlay meme effect? Did you guys enjoy those things? Did you want more of that? Did you want it more condensed? Were you okay with the length? Did you finish the lecture? That's something interesting too that people might not have done, and was kind of a glimpse into the future, one might say. But I would like to know many things from you guys, whether it be on Twitter, in the YouTube comments, or just DM'd to me personally. I have no fucking idea. It would be nice to hear more, and maybe this will also serve as a reminder too, if you didn't finish the lecture yet, to go finish it now. That way you can give me, your thoughts, perhaps in a little more updated fashion, I guess you could say. One thing for sure I will try to improve on is that second camera angle that I totally whiffed. I'll definitely try harder on that regard. If I did it this year with the same equipment, I really could do it. Still got the whiteboard, still got the same webcam and whatnot. Did you guys, oh, this is another important question. Do you guys like or hate the webcam placement? Was that something, were they far too big? Were they not big enough? Did you guys want them to take up a whole section of the screen? Did you think they could be smaller or just gone entirely? I thought that added a little more soul, obviously, kind of seeing everyone's reactions, but maybe it wasn't that good as a viewer. I have no idea. Oh, and obviously I'll get it out faster. Now that I have a fucking idea of what I'm doing, you know, before it was my first one, I had no idea what I was doing, I didn't know what a fucking noise gate was. Now that I do, it would come out a lot faster than almost 9 months. So I would say that's another thing to look forward to. But thankfully, there's a lot of time between now and December of this year. So that being said, you know, I would love to hear some thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. And that would be day 3.